In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple steps on how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. Whether you're capturing your entire desktop or just a specific window, we've got you covered. First, let's go over the most common way to take a screenshot of your entire desktop. Simply press the PrtScn key on your keyboard. Once you've pressed the PrtScn key, the screenshot is copied to your clipboard. Now, open your preferred image editing software like Paint or Photoshop and paste the screenshot. But wait, there's an even easier way to capture just the active window. Now, for those who want more control over their screenshots, Windows 10 offers the Snipping Tool. Just search for Snipping Tool in the Start menu and open the application. With the Snipping Tool, you can capture a specific area of your screen, and you can use the Pen tool or the Highlighter tool to annotate it. With the Rubber tool, you can even remove them. There's a newer and more powerful tool called Snip Sketch. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open Snip Sketch. From here, you can select the area you want to capture and annotate it right away. And there you have it, multiple ways to take screenshots on Windows 10. Whether you're using the traditional PrtScn method, Alt plus PrtScn for active windows, or the Snipping Tool and Snip Sketch for more control, you're now equipped to capture and share your screen effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.